Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get shaders on Roblox Mobile using CapCut. Shaders can dramatically enhance your game's visual appeal, adding depth and realism. We'll cover the entire process, from recording your gameplay to applying stunning effects in CapCut. This guide will help you transform your mobile Roblox experience into something truly cinematic, all within a few simple steps. Get ready to elevate your content creation. First, you'll need to record your Roblox gameplay directly on your mobile device. Ensure your screen recorder captures high-quality footage, ideally at 60 frames per second, for the best results. Play through the scenes you wish to enhance, focusing on smooth camera movements. Once recorded, save your video to your device's gallery, making it easily accessible for the next editing stage in CapCut. This foundational step is crucial for a polished final product. Next, open CapCut and import your recorded Roblox footage. Navigate to the Effects tab, where you'll find a wide array of visual enhancements. Experiment with various video effects and filters that mimic shader qualities, such as blur, sharpen, or color grading options. Adjust the intensity and duration of these effects to achieve your desired aesthetic. You might combine 2 or 3 effects for a unique look, spending about 5 to 10 minutes per clip for optimal results. Finally, once you're satisfied with your shader-like effects, it's time to export your masterpiece. Tap the Export button, usually located in the top right corner, and select your preferred resolution and frame rate, such as 1080 pixels at 60 frames per second. CapCut will then process and save your enhanced Roblox video to your device. Now, you can share your visually stunning gameplay with friends or upload it to your favorite social media platforms, showcasing your creative editing skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.